Today, on this occasion, I would like to thank each and everyone from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for sharing your presence and showering your blessings on the couple. I'm thankful to Mr. and Mrs. Kotapalli for giving us a beautiful daughter. And I welcome you, Ramya, to Rathod family.
Ramya and I got along great growing up, and it's probably because we had a bunch of the same interests. But one of our most favorite things to do together was to do puzzles. And we had a whole system, and we would work on it every day until we finished. We always ended up with a missing piece that I had to hunt down.
If I would say about something about Abhi, oh my God, Abhi, Abhi as a baby, he was very mischievous. But he has turned to be a very, very responsible man. And he has been taking good care of me and Ashwarya. And I can say, Ramya, you will not regret your choice.
But seriously, Ramya, I hope you know that your opinion means more to me than anyone else's. And I've always sought your approval for everything I do. You're always going to be my puzzle buddy, my first source for advice, and my best friend.
And I want to tell you, Ramya, that you make Abhi really the happiest of men. You always bring out the child in him, and I love that about you, and I love that about your relationship. You guys are so great with each other.
As you start new chapter in your life, me and Amma wish you and hubby all the very best in life and pray that all your wishes come true.
Ramya, it's safe to say that this time you found the missing puzzle piece of our family, which is Abhi.
Welcome to the family, Abhi.
I want everyone on the dance floor tonight. No excuses.
So, just a little backstory. I actually knew Abhi and Ramya from high school. We went to a high school. We were all enrolled in the medical academy because, we thought it was easy to become doctors. Right, Ramya?
I'm so glad that you achieved your lifelong dream of becoming a doctor, especially because that means I don't have to.
Fast forward a couple of years, we all went to UT together, but actually in the very first year, Abhi went to UT San Antonio while we were in Austin. He would always come down, visit us, hang out with all the other high school buddies, hang out with Ramya. And just like one night, we were sitting together and he just looks at me and he's like, Uzair. I'm like, yeah, what's up, man? He's like, Ramya? I just can't crack her code. What's up with her? But that's when I first realized that he actually came to Austin to see Ramya, not me. But it's okay, Abhi. I love you. I'm always gonna come see you. I love you so much, I kind of married your sister. So